Hey guys, this is Scott. If you could hit that subscribe button, really helps me out. Need more subscribers. Share this video if you can. I'm going to show you a super above top secret base in China right now. Are you ready? Hold on to your hats. Here we go. Now this base is so small. It's so small, but it's absolutely amazing. Now we're at the location. I'm going to rotate it a little bit because it's just easier for me to share this with you. Now right here, you see an aircraft. Do you know what the aircraft is? Do you recognize it? Now that right above my cursor is the X-47B stealth drone, the same stealth drone that was shot down over India not too long ago, apparently sold by India to China, their neighbor, and they're back engineering it right there. If you can see, it looks like it's been opened on the side a little bit. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. But hold on, I got much more than just this to show you. There are one, two, three, four, well, in others there's more, four nuclear trucks holding nuclear missiles. These things drive in circles. You see the lines in the circles. They drive around the area. They change positions every few hours. You look at these radar over here. One, two, three radars over here. This is super top secret. Guys, look at this. I'm going to follow my cursor, and I'm going to hit time machine in just a second. But first, I want to show you the X-47 so you can see this object. I'm trying to get as close as I can. Do you see this right here? Let's show you the X-47. This is the X-47, the drone that was shot down. It's a United States Navy drone, absolutely amazing. Can fly just about anywhere, but it is a little bit slow, but it is absolutely amazing. Look at this. Okay, here we are on the original map. Now I'm going to hit time machine. Follow my cursor so you can do this too. Follow my cursor, hit 1985 down here, and suddenly it jumps. Now we're going to come all the way up here just because all this is garbage down here. There's not much there right now. Let's go back. You see the drone. You see the drone. Absolutely amazing. Now let's go back a little bit to 2018 and you see this. This is something kind of cool. This is the J20 Chinese jet that's copying a similar jet in America. This is a J20 jet. Let's show you this jet. This is the jet, and it looks like they're back engineering this jet right here. They're back engineering it, okay? And it's very similar to a F-22 Raptor that's in America. And look at that. Now, I think they're back engineering this jet on Google Earth, or maybe fine-tuning the jet. This one, they're not back engineering. They're fine-tuning this one. But the other one, the drone themselves, they're back engineering it, trying to figure out how it works, how to make it basically copy the object again. Here's another picture of it. Here's another picture of it under the hangar, and all other pictures after this are nothing that significant. Nothing that significant. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that. This facility wasn't even created yet down here for those trucks. Okay, so it looks like there's some other facilities. You can check those out for yourself as you go up here. 2021. Guys, that's absolutely amazing. You see these nuclear trucks over here carrying the missiles. Trucks carrying the nuclear missiles. Sorry, I'm too excited about it. It's kind of amazing to me, mind-blowing that this facility is so small. Man, it just gives made in China a whole new meaning. It's absolutely amazing they can work in such a small facility. How did they get that up the road? How did they get that up the road? Is anyone thinking about that at all? This looks like either a stairway going up or a radar tower. It looks like there's windows down here at the bottom. It looks like the Area 51 radar tower, if you remember that at all. It's just not black. It's just not black. So you see, you don't see any down here. You don't see anything. But when you come up here and it's more new, modern, you see one, two, three, four trucks. Look like 5 trucks over here. So check this out. I will put the coordinates to this in the about description below, and I want your opinion on what's going on here. What's China doing with this tiny 1 acre size mini Area 51? Why do they have this J20 jet, this J20 jet over here? And why are they back engineering our technology? Why is our technology, American technology, in the hands? Look, it's on this pedestal being back engineered. I believe it's being back engineered so they can create their own. No wonder. I mean, they steal everything. They steal everything. There was an engineer in America that stole, who was living in America, Chinese guy, and he stole the blueprints to the space shuttle and sent it to America, and he got caught, went to prison. I mean, they steal everything. No matter what is at stake, they want everything. Okay, guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. I'll make more videos for you very soon. Damn, this is nuts, isn't it? Above top secret stuff. Like and subscribe.